Gonna do trick or treat? Oh boy, this is snowing. It's a little bit cold. Let's see how much chocolate you got. Huh?
How many, Valerie?
Oh, here. You missed it. Oh, no, no. Thank you much. Thank you. Bye now. Say thank you.
That's how it feels.
Thanks again. A lot of Elsas.
Oh my God.
Elsa, yes, I know. Let it go.
Forgot. Forgot the we. Thank you. So. Trick or treat. All right. Trick or treat. Okay, let's go.
I can do Mom's house.
You gotta knock the door and say trick or treat. Knock the door and say trick or treat. All right, hello.
Wow, what a
Oh my goodness, you got a lot of goodies.
Sour punch and M&M's. That sounds good.
Oh boy, no, that's enough. Thank you much.
She's cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have fun.
Have a good one now. Yeah.
Happy Halloween.
M&M's are my favorite.
Oh boy, oh boy. Look at all the kids that are coming over. Se agarró dos. You got two of them, two big ones. Can't believe you. Trick or treat, trick or treat. You wanna say trick or treat? Hey, trick or treat. Hello.
I'm Elsa.
You're gorgeous.
Elsa.
Yeah? Here, let me give you a couple more. There you go.
Thank you much.
Guys,
Have
take care.
fun.
See
Have
ya.
fun. All right, say thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, let's go this way, Valerie. You have a lot of candy. Look at all the leaves. They fall on the floor. And that's Buddy Pumpkin.
He's not just a pumpkin, he's a dog.
Are you sure? Trick or treat, and when you get the chocolate, you say thank you. You gotta say thank you, Valerie. All right, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Good night. Oh, boy. Okay, wait. I'll get more. Thank you much. Have a good one. All right, let's go, princess. Good job.
That.
Oh boy, but these are mine. Huh?
But that's okay with me because you can look at this.
Because you're my princess genius the first. Okay, let's go now.
Back home.
No, we're gonna go to a store and gonna ask for more trick or treat.
Yeah.